Yay, look what just arrived. So this is my paper pumpkin for April. It's called So Cool, and it's a little behind actually because they had some items from the kit were apparently not quite ready the day they normally ship out. So here it is, a little later than usual, but I am excited to get it because I saw some photos and it looks adorable. So they're telling us that this kit pairs nicely with items from the Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper. This paper is only available through the end of June, so it is gorgeous. There's a nice stamp set that goes with it, so you might want to check out that paper. Anyway, here is the stamp set. This is what I'm excited about because I saw this, and how cute are these stamps? Hey there, happy birthday, you're so cool, way to go, and then this really cute popsicle and a fun little watermelon. This is really great for summer, and it'll make really cute birthday cards for kids and scrapbook pages. Really adorable stamp set. And then the spot, I haven't gotten a spot this color in a very long time, Bermuda Bay. So I really like the stamp and the spot. Fantastic. Okay, the kit. Look at these bright, cheery colors. Look at that. So much fun. Well, let me open it. Oh, there it is right there. So it makes 9 projects, and these are really cute, and I like the shapes. Look at the inside of that envelope. Okay, you've got your adhesive, some dimensionals, and some glue spots, and then some baker's twine in what looks like bumblebee. And then here are your envelopes, all so cute. There we go. Oops. They're all the same, super fun, and standard size. So even though these cards are shaped, they're standard size envelopes. And look at that kiwi. Oh, and rainbow popsicles, really fun. And then look at these watermelon cards, really super cute. That is adorable, and a little rainbow, and then got these little stickers. Oh, and glitter paper. This is for your sentiments. And these are cutouts, so you've got some add-on shapes. Let's see what other shapes are there. This one. Okay. 6 of each. All right, let me see that picture again. I want to see what these, okay, so you can do happy birthday, you are so cool. I'll probably do a lot in happy birthday or hey there, because hey there is nice for some of the kids I haven't seen in a while from my church class, and then happy birthday, I can do a bunch of that. This is going to be a super cute little stamp set. How adorable are these cards? 9 cards. Now, if you missed out on this subscription, let me know. I always get extra, and ooh, I don't want to bend my little popsicle sticks. I always get extra, so I might have one for you if I didn't make them all up. This is perfect for me because I need a lot of little kid cards, so you know, if I don't make them all my kits up, then I might have one extra for you. But if you didn't get it, let me know, and I can try and see if I have an extra that I can send your way. So if you want to get next month's Paper Pumpkin subscription, it has, I think, a really cute theme. It's kind of summer baseball, and that's the photo. I'll put a photo of that up on my blog and Facebook page on bethspapercuts.com, and you'll be able to kind of get a hint of what that's going to look like. But it has a real cute Father's Day feel, or maybe young adult male cards. You can do birthday with that, and you know, those are the kind of cards I think are hard to make. We always make such pretty and cutesy things. Young adult male. Next month, Paper Pumpkin kit. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Bye.